Welcome to Big Boy Cars. What's going on, guys? JB, Joe, we're standing here with Andrew at Bullseye Diesel Performance. Why don't you tell us what's going on, man?
As you saw from last night, we're trying to clean up all the stuff that went down. It was crazy. It was epic.
Oh yeah.
We're having another one. We hope it's a bigger turnout. But as of right now, we're just hanging out, talking about trucks. Got a couple customers down, just hanging out today, making sure that we're all squared away.
Oh yeah. Could you tell us about the shop?
So we're here in this area, new in Henderson, going on about 2 years. It's going really well. Really getting into the community. And we're trying to get further into the community and show people, not to give up on your diesel trucks, that they're reliable, that they actually are clean. We're trying to set a good precedence, that it's not all about blowing black smoke and tearing up the environment.
I mean, not all about it, but I mean, it is a big part of it, just saying.
Yeah.
Says the new truck guy.
Hey, I'm
All
a
right.
truck guy now, okay? This is me. This is us. This is us.
Originally, we started in New Mexico. I mean, we're born here, we're raised here. We moved out of here because we have a family ranch up there.
Mm-hmm.
So we were working oil field. I was a heavy diesel mechanic. My dad was a directional driller. And then, unfortunately, everything got shut down.
Yeah.
Unseeable circumstances, so I was into horses and rodeo, so we sold all of them. We had beat up 7.3 trucks. That's where we started. We sold all the horses, turned barn into a shop, and it grew into a 10,000 square foot building in our home state. So
No, nothing wrong with that.
and that's one thing that we've always tried to keep is family.
Yeah,
Just like Brandon, when first met him, he was on a deadline. He had to go, I believe it was to Arizona, and he needed car leak ball joints and a ton of stuff. I was here till about 12:30, and he texted me. He's like, "Hey, is the truck done? Because I got to leave in a few hours." I said, "Yeah, dude, it's done right now. Do you need me to deliver it to you, or do you need me to stay open so you can come?" He's all like, "Yeah, I'll come right down." I'm like, "All right." He's all like, I can't really pay this right now because I'm on a rush. And I said, "It's okay, bro. We'll square up, tomorrow. Just call, enter it over the phone, just like that."
all about family here.
Yeah, we try to work with people. I mean, because some of these builds are extreme. Like this guy, for instance. This truck, it was at a competitor shop. They closed down in the industry. They're no more, but they scammed this guy out of about $8,500. This truck was delivered to us on a flatbed. The motor was in the back seat, in the bed, and half torn apart in the front of the motor. We have the bill, quoting what they charged him for. None of those parts are there. There's several major components missing out of the motor. So we got with him and we're like, "Hey, dude, what do you want to do about this?" He's like, "Give me some time to stack up cash. Is it cool if I keep the truck here?" I said, "Absolutely. We won't even charge you a storage fee." And he's in. He's happy. We're taking care of him. And we can't wait to see this build done because he really wants his truck back.
Speaking of done builds, you have the EcoBoost, which I'm excited to get my hands on. Tell me about the EcoBoost, man.
All right, so I have a diesel truck. My mom has a diesel truck. My dad has a diesel truck. My grandma wanted a truck as well, but she didn't want a diesel. We're cruising down the road one day. She's like, "That truck, let's pull over. I like that." I'm like, "All right, let's check it out." Really liked it. We work with a local company, Jamo Exhaust. Called them up and said, "Hey, what can we do for this?" So they're like, "Hey, we have a 4-inch catback kit, and it all starts with your first exhaust." So we went from there. Now we have an AFE dual air intake for the turbos. We have MSD coils. We have NGK iridium coated plugs for it, and then we do our own custom in-house tuning. And grandma can't keep her foot out of it. We had it up to about 16 miles to the gallons, hovering around 13.
So, it's Grandma's truck.
Yeah, Grandma had us build her a race truck.
I didn't know it was Grandma's truck. Ugh, Grandma scared me.
You guys can go ahead and film Grandma's truck. I'm gonna go home. So
I'm sure you'll see in some of the shots, Grandma's walking around here dirty, like she's been working on stuff. She scares me.
like that smock. She's put in some work in that smock she's walking around in. She's put in some work.
All right,
Just making
well,
sure she's not around.
All right, so I'm really excited to drive this truck. Still afraid to drive it because I didn't know it was Grandma's till just now. But let me get them keys, man. I'm excited. Let's go.
Well, you'll need these keys and you'll need some driving skill.
I got driving skills.
Haha. No, you don't. Trust me, you don't.
I think we stashed it out back.
Forgot to unlock the rear end.
Yo, grandma's truck. Grandma be rolling.
Yeah, what is your grandma drive? How about that? Jesus Christ, this EcoBoost is phenomenal.
Yeah, my grandma's gone, by the way.
Well, so is mine, but I'm saying like to
To
them,
the grandma. Oh yeah.
not to you.
Oh, well, excuse me, I didn't know. I was just letting you know. But yeah, grandma rolling in this. Like,
Just it's so strange. It's so strange to me. We're in an EcoBoost. Like, this is supposed to be an economical, smart truck. You know what I'm saying? Like, not aggressive.
who says you gotta be wimpy to be economically sound?
This truck moves, man.
This truck move. These people need to move.
Right?
Come
it
on,
needs to run.
Get out the way. You don't see all this?
Oh man, it's just that turbo. It's
Right.
just. It's a bad-ass truck.
That is. I think it's just like all grandmas in general because they just don't give no f***s. You don't cross Gma, you know what I'm saying?
G-Ma? Is that what you called your grandma? G-Ma?
Yeah.
Mine was OG. She was the original gangster.
Yeah.
This truck is beastly.
Like this truck can do some damage.
Hopefully we don't do any
No, we're not
damage
gonna.
to
Yeah,
the
we're not.
truck.
We're not gonna. Mm-mm.
But it'll do some damage
It'll-
to pavement.
Yeah. Well, whether or not we fit in this car, which we do,
Comfortably, 'cause it's a truck.
Yeah, this is grandma's car, truck. So, regardless, she's getting a stamp because, like, I have a feeling she would like.
Yeah, I'm gonna stamp this
Stamp.
just out of pure fear of grandma.
Yeah.
You want one, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll just the pure, just the turbo is great. Everything about this thing is great.
And just keep it in third gear the whole time we're doing this.
Yeah.
You have full range.
Okay. Oh.
Be careful, Travis. That would have been perfect time, perfect stop. The next one will get it going. But yeah, stamps all day, Grandma. Like, regardless, you're getting a stamp. But the car is comfortable.
Turbo build up. It's the turbo blowing off, but the you hear it start to spool. Oh, yeah. Great. What is this lady seriously Snapchatting right now? Go!
I'm driving slow as hell. What is it with these people, like all these girls, like, you know what it is? They're getting sponsored by people. So like they gotta snaps all day, all the time. Get out of the way. God. It's like, oh my God, guys, hashtag 9 to 5.
Hashtag busy day.
Hashtag I'm so tired, oh my God. Hashtag this was my lunch. Look, she's still doing it. She's still.
Hashtag rough day.
Don't roll up the windows now that you got caught. Like, you see her?
She looked back. Saw Travis hanging out of the car with the camera. Ooh, let's see if this AMG wants to run.
Eat 'em. He don't want none.
An AMG Mercedes doesn't want the EcoBoost. I'm trying to bait him with the turbo and everything. Let's see if I can get him to do it. Come on, you gotta run with me a little bit.
He just ice forged us.
Man. I love that thing, man.
It's a pretty car, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's my wife's.
Yeah?
The weekends, that's it. Good gas, good food, come home. That's all.
You gotta,
Fun little car.
you gotta run with me a little bit in this thing, man.
No, yours is really cool. You got that all beefed up. That looks pretty.
Yeah, it's a little quick.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous truck.
Thanks, man.
It's Grandma's, guy. It's Grandma's. At the window.
A guy in an AMG Mercedes wouldn't take it. I flexed the turbo on him a little bit.
He was like, yeah, you got it beefed up there. Yeah, I see, I hear it. Like, no, you can still run with us. Come on, man. It's just so purty. So purty.
Yes, Las Vegas is definitely beautiful.
That I was talking about the car.
Oh,
Fuck, come on now. Oh, okay. You want to run, son? You want to run, son? Come on.
let's run it, old lady. Oh my God, that lady is legit 80 years old and just whipped past us.
Oh.
That was great.
That was awesome. I didn't expect that. I did not expect that. Wow.
Wow.
That was hilarious.
That lady was 85 million
She's
years
still
old.
going. Look at her.
She is whipping
She
it.
gives no right now.
Nope.
Wow.
So we're gonna turn into a very nice area of Las Vegas called Lake Las Vegas, which I guarantee you there's probably no other turbos.
Head turning.
Look at this, Lake Las Vegas. You got a Porsche Cayman driving by.
I know you hear it. You
Yeah.
hear just that buildup, like
That turbo starts spooling up.
Oh, yeah.
That turbo ties up.
turbo test.
Beautiful. Lake Las Vegas is beautiful. One day we'll be able to afford to live in here and then immediately get kicked out.
If I can afford to live here, you're not coming to my house.
You're not invited over to my house.
Like legit. I'm
First
sorry.
of all,
I'm sorry.
we wouldn't let your black live in this neighborhood.
First of all, if I got money,
no relation. You live on the outside like Uncle Ruckus.
you. Money talks.
Look at him, he's like, let me out.
Let me out. Whew. 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 I had to get three. I had to get three.
I wanna thank Bullseye Diesel Performance. I wanna thank Andrew, the whole family. I wanna thank Grandma especially for letting me drive her car. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys in the next one.